Well, that went over like a lead balloon. So, apologies for the huge failure, but if I can't play the guitar and hear it immediately, then I can't do what I need to do to make a tutorial. And so my computer, it just everything started to freeze and lock up, and then Windows came into the picture and poofed up a blue screen and said, "We've run into a little problem, and we're gonna collecting some data." And I went right in and unplugged my connection to the internet. I'm like, I don't want Windows sending anything anywhere. Just f off, man. And so I restarted my computer, tried to do stream again on the thing, and it went back to the thing, and people were there, but it said the chat's closed. Man, it's just so much bullshit. So I'm not doing the streaming stuff. It's just it doesn't work. So I will do this tutorial on how to create a jam track, and I'll record it while I'm not streaming so that everything will work, and I'll make sure that everything works and the audio sounds good, and then I'll upload that video later on. So anyway, apologies to everybody that, too many pieces of technology trying to do stuff and it just didn't work. Didn't work. Oh well, good thing I don't rely on live streaming for my income. So that's it. I will catch up to you people. And for all the few people that actually showed up, thank you very much. Sorry that nothing great happened, but I thought this was set up and I hit a chord on a guitar and hear it, half a second later. That's not going to work. So, have a good one, and I'll do some more videos. I'll do more videos. Don't you worry about that. Um, so yeah, that's it. Have a great Saturday. Later.